Hello, welcome to my another video on how you can use AI or ChatGPT to boost your day-to-day work. Now this video is going to be really useful for HRs. Everybody HR if you're working in a company. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can write job profiles using HR. So recently I was supposed to hire some designers and all. So I was wasting quite of time. Now I don't say wasting, but it was taking me a long time to write profiles for designer. So what I just did is, it suddenly clicked to my mind, why should not I use ChatGPT? So what you have to do is just type in ChatGPT, come to introduction to ChatGPT, and you'll end up with something like that, and then click try ChatGPT. Now you will be having something of this sort. Now here you need to just type in write me a job profile for, let's say, industrial product design. Okay, let me just correct the spelling of industrial. And TRIEM. Okay, so you can see the job title is industrial product designer, and it gives you the job summary. Okay, key responsibilities. So you can see the AI does a really great job. But again, like every time I'll always give a disclaimer that you should check the content before you post it. And with this, we can just go get the job description, post on LinkedIn or anywhere you want, and you are good to go. So that was one example, and it's up to you. You can expand the scope of search for using ChatGPT as per your choice. So with this, for this video, I'll just sign off, and we'll catch up in the next video. By the time, stay tuned, and thank you.